This is the sound of a failed dual mass flywheel, or DMF for short. Hear that knocking noise? That's the DMF. Sometimes you can also feel a pulse or vibration on the pedal, although not in this case. There's nothing on that pedal. But you can tell by putting the clutch down, the sound gets a little bit better. Take it out, it knocks like a good one. So if that ever happens to you, you know your dual mass flywheel's gone. Also, strangely in this case, the DPF, diesel particulate filter light had come on with a warning message on the dash that there's a problem with the DPF, although I'm quite convinced that there isn't actually a problem with that. It's all due to the dual mass flywheel being out of play. So yeah, that's one way to find out if you're in for an expensive bill. This 2010 model is done 97, nearly 100,000 miles, so it's about the right time for the dual mass to be failing, and the rough cost on this job is going to be roughly £800. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. So, what does a failed DMF look like? Basically like this. See the amount of movement on that? Rocking around all over the shop. They're supposed to move backward and forward slightly like this. That's how they dampen the vibration of the engine, but they're definitely not supposed to do that, and that's where the rattling noise comes from. So that's definitely a failed DMF. Okay, so I've fitted the new DMF, and there's the correct amount of play. It should have a little, because obviously it's in two bits. You've got this is the outer section, and the inner section of the flywheel where the starter motor catches is this cog. So, and there's friction material in there, which you can just hear rubbing slightly when I do that. I mean, there's still some play on it, but it's got to have play. It's sprung between the two plates. But the old one from the other video was, the friction material was all gone. It was wobbling around all over the shop. Whereas this one now, there's just that little bit of acceptable play, which is the way they come brand new. So, sweet. On with getting the clutch assembly together and get the gearbox back up. Job's a good one.